Sonoma. It's a Native American name and it means the Valley of the Moon, which is a lot to hang on a keyboard. Then you look at the back of one. It's a circle set into a rectangle. Welcome back to Scoop Bar. This is the Sonoma, a 65% from Wired In and designed by Beni Klein. Now, this is not a review, this is just a look at the board while the group buy is still open, so think of it as a preview. Wired In sponsored this video. Valley of the Moon. The design follows the name. Circular geometry set into a strict rectangular base, round weight, round badge, square everything else. Now, Wired In is a family-owned shop out of New York, and you probably know them for artisanal cables. That's what they built their brand on, and a keyboard at this price is a much bigger swing. Beni Klein, also known as Rad, drew it up for them. Win key 65%, no win keyless. Wired In left it off to keep the price down. 4 colorways, this one's Sterling, and there's also Flux, Lunar, and Blood Moon. The accent on the back is actually held by magnets, neodymium, so no screwdriver. Pull it off, put another one on, and the whole back of the board changes. Wired In says it's tested to 0 rattle with internal buffering, so swapping it over and over doesn't wear the contact faces. On the Sterling, that accent is sandblasted stainless, heaviest one in the lineup. 2 mounting systems, 3 different ways to build it, and all of them come in the box. And the 2 gasket harnesses, 50A and 80A, 2 sets of each, 50A for softer, 80A for firmer, 3 mounts and 2 hardness, and on a unibody case, that's rare. Group buy is open until August 23rd. Links are in the description if you want one. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next build.